Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Dailykeny. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button today, right now. If you guys like what I have to offer, hit that like button for me. Thanks. Today's video is brought to you by Carpe Omnia. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, guys. I just saw their stuff on Instagram. Your guys' stuff looks dope. I want to cop. I can't wait to share with you guys. Today we're gonna be going over some unpackaging so you guys can see what all that looks like. Please disregard the entire room. This is not my room. You guys, if you watch my channel enough, you guys know exactly what my room does look like. But I am in the Bay Area. I'm at my girlfriend's house, so I couldn't help but wait, and I told them to ship it here so that I can do some content. What we're gonna be going over is gonna be the quality of the clothes, the fit of the clothes, what is it comparable to. So while this is playing, you guys can see all of that. First, let's go ahead and talk about the quality of the clothes. I gotta say is very stretchy material. The pant leg at the very bottom is tight. It has an adjustable that you guys can play around with so you guys can cuff it low, high, however you like. Hope you guys enjoyed that skit here real quick so you guys can see what the outfit does look like, give you guys an idea too as well. Some b-roll shots. Shout out to Jack for the b-roll shots because I can't do it by myself. I wish I could, but in the future, if I got any more of their stuff, if anything, it'd be their joggers with the little adjustable, because I'm just a big fan of that. I like to adjust my own cuff, and if I have the choice to do so, 100%. That's why I was honestly sold. They have black, they have dark gray, and the light gray. I'll link everything below so you guys can check that out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's actually really dope to make some stuff like this here and give you guys some streetwear fashion and some looks and styles so you guys can get some ideas. If you guys like what you guys saw, hit that button right here, that subscribe button, and that thumbs up if you guys like it. If you guys want to see more content like this, leave me in the comments. Tell me what you guys think about the clothes. Appreciate you guys so much. Take care of each other. Take care of yourself. Peace and love, baby.